Wonderfest 2023 is in the past, but let's recap it. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This video is going to be going out on both channels, so keep that in mind today. But today we are recapping Wonderfest 2023. My experiences, the fun. You're going to see walk around, B-roll, all that kind of fun stuff, the people I met, and all that cool things going on throughout this video. So Wonderfest 2023 is a modeler's dream. If you are looking for a model kit, if you're looking for something unique created, this is the show to go to. Louisville, Kentucky. For us, it was an 11-hour drive to get there, but it was worth it. I had my booth at 115, and just the stuff that I saw and the things going on, and the whole thing was just amazing. Like I said, we'll get to kind of a time lapse of B-roll photos. I got to meet my friend Joe Hudson there. He entered a lot of stuff into competition, and just the pieces that were in competition were just bar. I mean, just the artwork and everything that you saw is just amazing. And with that, I want to share that experience with you guys because it was really, really a lot of fun, and I want to make sure that we talk about that. So, because it's one of those things, these are part of why I do what I do. So, before we hop into showing you that cool footage, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, help the video out, and also any questions, comments down below. But we're going to hop into a lot of the B-roll, just some cool music and stuff, just to kind of show what you missed at Wonderfest. So showing that off is key, and Wonderfest was just beautiful, beautiful. So I met a lot of awesome other creators, modelers, and different things that just stuck with me. I've ran into groups that have projects that honestly my skill set can really help out, and made those connections and different things like that. And also just everybody that I met was wonderful. We had great pieces there by Antonio Datto. There were just all kinds of just fun stuff to see at Wonderfest. And just old style model kits. I even let some of my old model kits from my stash go, including my Mobius Battlestar Galactica, because just the changing game here. And it was just a lot of fun, and just really important to actually finally start mending into that community of modelers and people that are looking to paint stuff and just looking for that cool, awesome, rare thing. Was a lot of fun and just huge to hit into. So with that, guys, let's hop to the montage, and at the end of the montage we'll click out. Remember, subscribe, and also just I hope you guys enjoy some of the B-roll that we saw of the main floor, not to mention also the model competition hall. So let's hop to that. guys, that's the video. A lot of cool stuff in there. A lot of cool Star Trek model kits built, prints painted. Joe Hudson, he had his Spock in there by Antonio Dado, and just a lot of cool, awesome things on the floor. So hope you enjoyed. Next week, you're going to get back to more normal stuff as we start talking more 3D printing and things like that. But this was just an experience I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you guys. We'll catch you in the next video.